Select the repeater. You can see that the title text of the list is the column to data of the repeater. Add a loaded interaction. Choose Set Text, then choose User List. Change the text to Members. Preview the prototype, and you can see that the title text has changed to Members. Then add the item loaded interaction, choose Set Text, and then choose Text 0. Click the X button. Insert text into the expression, add +1, and change this to target. Preview the prototype, and you can see that 0 has changed to 5, because the item number is 5. The item resized event only takes effect when the Fit to Content option on the style pane is checked. Select the button, add click interaction, and we can see various actions related to repeaters. In future lessons, I will introduce them in detail. Duplicate the repeater, delete all its interactions. Enter the widget part of the first repeater. Select the rectangle and add click interaction. Add a case and condition. Choose text value and click the X button. Insert item.column2 into the expression. Enter item 1 into the text field. Add the edit row data action. Select the repeater on the right. Select rule and click the X button. Enter target item.column2 in the expression. Add to equals and name 1. Select column2 from the set value drop-down. Enter text Tom. The meaning of this interaction is that when I click on the rectangle in the first row on the left, the name 1 text in the first row on the right becomes Tom. Preview the prototype. When clicking the rectangle in the first row on the left, the name 1 text on the right becomes Tom. When clicking other rectangles on the left, there is no change on the right side widgets.